Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to make money on YouTube Shorts. With the rise of short-form video content, YouTube Shorts has become an exciting new platform for content creators, entrepreneurs, and influencers. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and strategies to help you start making money on YouTube Shorts. Tip number 1. Utilize ad revenue. One of the most straightforward ways to make money on YouTube Shorts is through ad revenue. By creating high-quality, engaging content and attracting a large audience, you can monetize your videos through YouTube's AdSense program. This means that ads will be displayed before or during your videos, and you'll earn money based on the number of views and clicks. Tip number 2. Partner with brands. Another way to make money on YouTube Shorts is by partnering with brands. If you have a large following, brands may be interested in working with you to promote their products or services through sponsored content. This can be a great way to earn money while also sharing products or services that you believe in with your audience. Tip number 3. Sell products. If you have a product or service to sell, consider using YouTube Shorts as a platform to promote it. Whether it's physical product or a digital service, you can use your videos to showcase your offerings and drive sales. Tip number 4. Offer a service. If you have a skill or expertise that can be offered virtually, consider using YouTube Shorts to offer your services to others. This can include anything from virtual coaching, tutoring, or consulting. By leveraging your knowledge and expertise, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Tip number 5. Utilize affiliate marketing. Lastly, you can make money on YouTube Shorts by using affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products or services by earning a commission for any sale that results from your referral. By partnering with affiliates and promoting products or services that align with your audience's interests, you can earn passive income while also providing value to your followers. That's it for this video on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. With these tips and strategies, you're well on your way to earning a profit through this exciting new platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on YouTube Shorts and monetizing your content.